Hi friends, I'm Kaylin, a nutrition educator from CalFresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension, and welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month, we'll be learning about lettuce. Salad greens is a term used to describe hundreds of different lettuce varieties. The Spanish name for lettuce is lechuga. According to the CDC, there are 4 main varieties of lettuce: butterhead, crisphead, loose leaf, and romaine. Some varieties of lettuce, like iceberg, have been cultivated to have the bitter taste removed from their leaves. Crisphead lettuce varieties, like iceberg, have high water content and have cooler colored leaves and less nutritional value. Leaves with greater pigmentation, or darker leaves, contain more antioxidants and nutrients. Lettuce originated in or around the Mediterranean basin. Wild forms of lettuce have been depicted in Egyptian tombs and present in written accounts that date back to the 79 AD. This leads us to believe that salad greens may be one of the oldest known vegetables. Christopher Columbus brought lettuce over to the Americas during his travels. Lettuce's popularity in the U.S. expanded at the beginning of the 20th century, where shippers relied mainly on New York growers. However, in 1922, a disease called brown blight wiped out much of the early plants. Then the USDA assigned plant breeder I.C. Jagger to develop a disease-resistant cultivar in Southern California. California leads the nation in production of leaf lettuce, head lettuce, and romaine lettuce. And accounting for all varieties, in 2006 to 2008, lettuce was California's 7th largest commodity. Monterey, Imperial, Fresno, San Benito, and Santa Barbara account for the highest percentage of California's lettuce production. On average, Americans eat about 30 pounds of lettuce each year, and it's the second most popular vegetable in the US. Can you guess what the most popular vegetable is? Depending on the lettuce variety, 1 cup of salad greens provides an excellent source of vitamin K, vitamin A, folate, and vitamin C. Vitamin A is great for maintaining strong eyes and healthy skin, while vitamin C helps your body heal cuts and wounds. Vitamin K is great for helping your blood clot, and folate helps in the formation of your red blood cells. Lettuce is grown year-round, but lettuce seeds germinate and grow best at low temperatures. Lettuce can even withstand a moderate freeze, and its peak harvest season is January through May. Lettuce seeds are sown at a depth of ½ inch, thinly in rows or in wide row bands about 18 inches to 2 feet apart. Keep the soil moist for 10 to 14 days and the seeds will germinate within the first 3 to 7 days. Lettuce is harvested by hand and is cut with a sharp knife near the base of the head, and any damaged outer leaves are removed. Check out the link below for this turkey ginger rice lettuce wrap recipe from foodheroes.org. What's your favorite lettuce recipe? Lettuce is clearly one of America's favorites. Wanting to grow lettuce in your school garden or at home? It's easy. Just ask your school garden coordinator or CalFresh Healthy Living Nutrition educator for more information. Remember, the Spanish name for lettuce is lechuga. Thanks for joining us on the Spotlight of Lettuce as our Harvest of the Month. How will you enjoy lettuce this month? See if you can find lettuce in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month.